Hello and welcome to Before You Buy, where we take an in-depth look inside the kit before you buy yours. This week's kit comes to us from AMT in round 2. It is the 1964 Chevelle Malibu SS. It is a Craftsman Plus Series kit, meaning it is a curbside style kit, meaning there is no engine in the kit, but being a Plus Series, it does have an opening hood for you to install yours. So again, brand new tooling here from AMT in round 2 of the 64 Chevelle Malibu SS. There's some of your features, two-wheel options, pad-printed white walls, side view mirrors, engine plate, easy assemble in that Craftsman series, and card, again same as our cover with our part number of 1426M. And again on the back side, again repeating that all new tooling, authentic detail, colorful decals, low parts count, fun to build. And as always with round 2, we get a quick breakdown on the bottom showing our skill level 2, 63 parts, again low parts count in our Craftsman series. Down here we got a part number again of 1426, the 64 Chevelle Malibu Craftsman Plus, and our production date there of 4/18/2024. This is just brand new onto the market for us, so let's get into it. Taking a look inside, we've got the body is loose, wheels, tires, clears, bag for some chrome bumpers, bag of opaque parts, got a singular steering wheel, chrome tree, decals and instructions. As always, I'll get everything unbagged and we'll get a closer look. Going to jump in here real quick on the cover packaging. There was a sticker that says the Cats Collection Classic Vintage Kits reimagined with all new tooling. That's something I want to talk about here. Again, this kit is all new tooling. It's all brand new. It's nothing left over from the 60s. It's reimagined from the original 60s kits. So my question to you guys is, would you like to see a comparison video with that all new tooling compared to the original tooling? I do have a couple of original kits here. If you'd like to see a comparison, please let me know down in the comments. And per usual, quick look at the instructions for our Malibu. Again, low parts count. I'll give you a quick look through the instructions, see if there's anything maybe you want to pay attention to as we go through the parts. String the parts together, then onto some chrome, bumpers, grills. Again, we have a separate hood, and we do have two wheel options in this kit, so you do get a little bit of a choice there. And that is it for all of the instructions for a Craftsman kit. Starting off on the parts, we'll start off, of course, with that 64 Chevelle body. Very nice looking body and core. Getting closer, we do have Chevelle script up on the fender, along with that V for a V8. Sliding back, we do also get the Malibu SS badging on the quarter panel. Of course, molded in door handles, door locks. Very nice trim work. Molded in wipers. Again, we do have an opening hood. They even give us some radiator support detail, hood latch detail, which is very nice. Definitely good to see in the Plus series. Again, all the same down the other side with Chevrolet across the trunk. Good looking body. Moving on, we'll just take a quick look at the clears, separate windows, front and back. We get some nice separate lighting for headlights, marker lights, tail lights. We do get red tail lights as well. Very nicely done. We get 4 tires. They do have a thin white wall, straight tread pattern, black wall on the reverse. Again, no branding, but we do have some pad printed white walls. To go with the wheels, we got a single metal axle. Leave that in the bag. We've got a lone steering wheel. Very nice detail with the chrome rings, horn ring. We have a well done interior tub, separate front seats, molded in back seat. Very crisp detail here with this first run of the tooling. Very prominent door handles And again, that SS badging on the door. We do have 3 pedals on there. Here is our floor pan, chassis pan, all molded in detail the way many kits were in the 60s. Very simple. Again, simple to build. We've got gas tank, rear end, dual exhaust. Here we do get a firewall. So again, with the opening hood, they're kind of leaving some detail there for you. If you do want to add an engine, a very prominent kind of bolt and wiring detail there, you can see very well defined, easy to paint up. And there's our dash for Chevelle, nice radiator, blank gauges, assuming we're going to get some decals there. Do have a grill up on top, very well done. And here is another tree. There's a kind of a plug for an engine. If you do not want to put one in there, you still have some simulation of an engine from the underside. Got some kind of wheel blocks and wheel pins for the front. Do have bucket seats in our Super Sport. There's another steering wheel. Not sure why we get 2. Maybe there's some breakage issues with that design. There's our hood. Very prominent, again, chrome molding down the center. Let's see if we can get this to focus. It does have Chevrolet across the front. And then we do have a radiator support there as well. And the last of our opaque parts is the wheel backs for all the same there. And moving on to our last parts trees, we do have 2 bumpers by themselves, front and rear, with the marker lights designed for those inserts. Very well done. Very clean castings, moldings. Here we have our 2 different wheel options. You get some wire spokes or the kind of the tri-spinner hubcaps. Do get 4 knockoffs. Not sure what these are, I can't tell. Looks like they are possibly antennas. Some dual antennas there maybe. There we have a door mirror. Full center console, separate grille, again with headlight inserts. There's our rear grille for the trunk. Again, very nicely done. And last but not least is our decal set, and it is very nicely done with some extras for our side emblems. Gauges are really well done. You can even see some kind of that metal turning interior door handles, decals for those, rear emblems, all the Chevrolet, stock wheel hubs, even some extra Chevrolet badging there, a bunch of Super Sports. Very well done. Nice to see extras. We all know how decals can get troublesome at times. A couple of different license plates, Michigan and Indiana, 64, Malibu SS, a couple of radios. Again, very nice for that added detail in such a simple kit. Again, with that, let me know if you guys would like to see a comparison. Photos at the end, and thanks for watching.